What's up, my YouTube family? Hi, guys. How's everybody doing? I'm doing great, guys. It's Friday. Most of y'all know how I feel about Fridays. I don't really like Fridays. But, guys, listen. I have some Bulls balls, some testicles. So, I got a package. It was 3 of them in a package. It was, I think it was like $13, $14, something like that. I don't know why I came with 3 because I thought it was only 2 balls. But it's 3. So, I don't know. But, guys, I have had bull balls before. They are called Rocky Mountain Oysters. Guys, I'm about to play with some balls right now. And y'all going to watch me play with these balls. But, really, guys, what I'm about to do is I'm going to show y'all how to prepare them. I'm going to skin it. I'm going to cut them up. And then I'm going to fry them. I don't know if I'm going to show y'all me frying them. I think I'm just going to get it prepared and stuff like that. And then I'm going to eat them. But I just thought it would be fun to show y'all the process and what I'm going to do and what it looked like before it ends up in my mouth. Balls in my mouth. But yeah, this is what they look like. Ew, they big. This one's kind of small, but it's still big. This one's about to bust loose, y'all. That one should be easy for me to do. So what you gotta do is you gotta skin it, and then you chop them down into pieces, bite size, like they're like little nuggets or whatever. When you fry them, have a little batter on them, you know, a little crispiness. Then you gotta have your red hot, you know, guys. Got some water. I don't have my mug today, but when I eat my balls later, I will have my mug. So, yeah, I don't know what it's doing with 2, 3 balls, but it is whatever, y'all. It's whatever. Look at it. Y'all see what the balls look like? See what the balls are? Y'all got me over here choking. You got me over here bugging. Y'all got me over here bugging. I'm doing a thumbnail, y'all. If you don't know, it's a thumbnail. Guys, these balls are so soft. They soft. Okay, maybe one more, y'all. One more. Come on, y'all. Bear with me, okay? Y'all got me over here playing with balls. All right, guys, let's do this. I got a bowl here for my skin or any part of the balls I don't want. All right. All right. I'm going to put these to the side. Let's work on 1 ball at a time. 1 ball at a time? How's that sound, y'all? 1 ball at a time. See, this one's already split, so... And again, I have done this before. Okay? This ain't gonna work, y'all. Ooh, this is tough. This stuff is tough. Oh! Y'all, it fell on the floor. All right, guys. Y'all gotta excuse me for a minute. I'm gonna go wash this off. Y'all like this shirt? Comment, eat. Ooh, subscribe, y'all. Can y'all see the back? I know some people seen the back already. And some people haven't. Hide your pets. Hide your pets. Hide your pets. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Let me just rinse this off real quick. Oh, man. All right, I'm back. I am back, y'all. All right, so, oh, excuse me. I ain't eating on them burping. Okay. So we know the balls are slippery. Let me see something. Can I rip it? So, ooh, I could rip it. So I just gotta get it open, and then I could just like pull it apart. See that, y'all? Look what I'm doing. Okay, all right. That's what we're doing, y'all. This is what. God, I'm gonna break my nails. I'm out of breath. Do y'all hear me breathing like this? Okay, let's do this, y'all. I'm glad I'm doing this for you guys so y'all can see what I'm going through. Okay. All right, y'all. It's gonna be messy. It's not gonna be perfect, y'all. Okay? Shoot. All right, y'all. All right, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere, y'all. This actually isn't as messy as last time I did it. I didn't show it to y'all, but y'all seen the after. Oh, so I did these balls probably about 2 years ago. This is like one of the first videos I did. Probably like the first 5, maybe even the 3rd video I did. So if y'all go look, y'all can look at the oldest videos. And yeah. This is, oh man. Okay. All right. I'm not going to worry about all this on here. Okay, well, all right. Let me try to get it off for you guys. I do have a lot of balls here, so I mean, I really don't need this, but I want to show y'all. Okay, that came off pretty good. I don't know if you can eat the skin or not. Probably really, really hard. Okay. I skinned some balls. I skinned some balls. Anybody want some skin? Some ball skin? Look at my hands. All right. It smells like beef. All right, y'all, look. I have one. Balls. It's almost whole. I'm gonna put that to the side right there. We're gonna skin another one. We're gonna skin another one, but I'm gonna leave one untouched because when I do the video to eat it, I want to have a ball on the side. Okay, I want a ball on the side. And yeah. Let's see what we got going on here, y'all. Bam! Held the balls. See, you gotta massage the balls too, y'all. You gotta massage the balls. Make it nice and tender. This one got a little slit in it too. The other one don't, but. Sound like somebody's arguing in the hallway. Or somebody about to make their way up here knocking on my door. Call before you come. Call before you come. They better not knock on my door. I don't like when people pop up at my house. Like, I don't. They really don't pop up here because they already know. Ooh! All right, I'm going to try to... I want it to come off like how it came off that one. That was kind of... I know I was like fighting a little bit, but it actually was pretty easy, guys, okay? Okay. I got a little slit here. I got my finger in here, y'all. I got my finger in here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you guys for dealing with me. I'm trying, you know what I'm going to try to do? I'm going to try to flip this inside out. Oh, I think that's, your girl is smart, okay? Your girl is smart. I'm smart, okay? Oh, woo, y'all. I got it, y'all. I am a professional ball pillar. Got perfect, y'all. This is perfect. This is perfect, okay? I am a pro with the balls. I am one with the balls, okay? So I guess after you do the first one, it gets better. That one is perfect, y'all. That is perfecto. That dog is perfect. All right, so now how I'm going to cut it? Let me cut up this messy one first. So that could be one nugget. That could be one nugget. Okay. I'm just going to throw the little loose ones away because we don't need all that. This is too much anyway. Cut that. Bam. Let's cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Your price is way too high. You need to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Guys, look at these. These are going to be perfect pieces, y'all. I'm excited. I'm excited. I wish y'all could eat with me. I wish that y'all could eat with me. But you can't. Maybe one day. Okay, guys, look. So it's in pieces now. Look at that. That's one piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. I'll count that as 4, 5, 6, 7. That's that 8. Okay. No, we're gonna make it 7. I'll leave it 8. I'm just gonna throw this little piece away too, guys. This is a lot of balls. I can't eat that many balls, okay? I know what y'all think of me. Shoot. Can't eat that many balls. Bam. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Y'all, I'm over here having fun playing with these balls. Y'all excuse me. Cut it. Y'all know I ain't gonna eat all these balls. I'm gonna cook them all though. I'm gonna cook them all so my plate can look nice and full. Probably like 5 of them with some hot sauce. Got my Red Hot. My Red Hot on that fried food. Y'all know that Red Hot? Red Hot sponsor me. Red Hot sponsor me, baby. Okay. All right. So I have this extra one here. This is gonna be on display. I don't know. Y'all want me to eat it? Take a bite out of this? I would do that. You know what? I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save that. And I'm gonna see, can I eat it raw? And if I can, I'm gonna eat it raw for you guys. So let's see, guys. I know y'all want me to eat it. I know it's not pork, it's beef. It's bull's balls. And I eat raw beef. So I should be okay. I probably can't eat the skin, but we'll see. Let me cover that up. Let me cover that up for y'all real quick because I'm going to see what I could do. I'm going to see if I can eat that. All right, guys. I don't know. So these bull balls are 2 different colors. Kind of got me a little nervous, y'all, but that one's more red and then this one is more gray. So these are 2 different balls here. I'm going to fry them up anyway. They don't smell bad. So, you know, It's probably from, obviously, it's two different bulls. Maybe one might be younger because that one was bigger and that one was smaller. So, yeah, guys, here go my bull's balls. Chopped up. I don't know. Maybe I might do a little video of me frying them. I don't know yet. But, yeah, guys. So, here go the bull's balls. I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. I hope you enjoyed a little demonstration. And, guys, I don't know if I'm going to put this video in with me eating it or if it's done. I don't know if I'm just going to post this one up alone. But if I do, guys, make sure y'all check and tune in and catch the video of me eating them. I probably will do 2 videos. I probably will. So, guys, these are my bull balls cut up. wait. Maybe I could do a thumbnail with that, too. I know, I'm silly, y'all. Let me go on this side. Okay. All right, one of those is going to be a thumbnail. Y'all leave me alone. Leave me alone. All right, guys. Nobody told you today that they love you. Let me be the first. I love you. You. I love each and every one of you guys. I even love you in the background that's listening, that's listening, but you can't see me, but you're listening. You know, the person in the back. Guys, y'all have a good day. Good night. It's Friday. Be safe. Stay in the house. You can save some money, save a life, save your life. All right. Toodles.
Yep.
All right, guys. I done let these things marinate. I got a couple in there. All right. This is hot. The grease is hot. Now we're going to fry these bull balls, y'all. Y'all, we frying the bull balls. LeBron, you going to try some?
No.
No. Hold on, stay right there, bro. Stay right there. I don't want to crowd the pot, y'all. Hi, guys. All right, I don't want to crowd the pot, but I want to do this all in one go. I got like one more piece in here. Oh, that's one more piece. Let me get it going. Let me get it going, y'all. Don't get my toes in this video. Okay? Don't get my toes in the video. All right. Stay right there, Braun. Let me clear this up here. Look at my hands. Y'all, look at my hands. Look at my hands. Come in a little closer. Come in closer.
Oh, closer, yeah.
There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh.
I know what you're trying to do.
I'm trying to get closer. Sorry, guys. You want to let that fry? All right, guys. We're going to let this fry. When you see me, I'm going to be eating some bull's balls. Yay! Hey, guys. Well, I'm back. I fried my bull balls. Look at that, y'all. They're nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. I got my red heart. Y'all know I can't have no fried food without my red heart. Got my frosty mug. And some water. Oh, yes. Got my frosty mug, y'all. Nice and cold. Oh, and I'm thirsty. Like always, right, y'all? This is so good. All right, guys. So I have had bull balls before. And if you've been watching the whole video, guys, so this is my first time doing like an editing thing. So I have the beginning of me cutting it up, and then I have the second part of me frying them, and then now I have this part of me eating them. I have these bull balls right got the bull balls, so I had 3 of them. Here we go, guys. Let me put some hot sauce on here. I'm ready to eat them. I already know what they taste like. They taste good. Let me know in the comments if you ever had some bull's balls. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? It's so good. Crunchy, 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 crunchy. So they're like, what's the country fried steak? A lot of people think the country fried steak is steak. It's not steak. So a lot of people ordering at my job. I gotta tell them, I'm like, it's not steak. They think it's steak. But this is what that's like. Look at that. Y'all hear me crunching? It's good. It's really good. Oh. Y'all should definitely try these. I know a lot of guys don't want to try it. Like my brother, I asked him about it. He said I was being disrespectful to him. I really want to eat some bull balls. You know what I mean? That's crazy, right? I'm sweating. It's not good. It's good. So it was 2 different colors. One was a little, like grayish, and the other one was a little grayish pink. This one right here, I could tell which one's what, because the one that was more grayish was kind of bigger. These ain't shrunk down. If y'all was watching, if y'all seen how I was cutting them, or even putting them in the fire, I should have deep fried them. I should have put my deep fryer. That's what I should have. But they're still really, really crispy, guys. Really, really good. Really, really good. Y'all see that? Beautiful. I know I'm silly, y'all. I wish I could have one of y'all eat this with me. I gotta try. I get somebody to try this. I'm taking this to work with me. Let's see if anybody wants it at my job. What do y'all think? I think somebody's gonna want my job. They're gonna be like, yeah. They're gonna like it. Bring it to their mama. Their grandma or something. I gotta find a way to get my mug to stay frosty. Yeah. It's Friday, y'all. Y'all know I hate Fridays. I hate Fridays. Oh my God. I hate Fridays. Oh, I wish I had my... I gotta turn this AC on, y'all. Excuse me for 1 minute. Because I'm sweating over here. Do y'all see that? I know y'all just think I'm glowing. I mean, I'm glowing too. You know? I'm glowing too. That was like a bone or something. Real good. Real good. I wish y'all really could try it. It's nice and crispy. My house sauce. I probably forget to bring this to work. Every time I tell them to bring something to work for them to try, I always forget it. Always forget it. Always forget about it. Forget about it. So, I don't know. I'm not eating all this. I just had a sub from Subway. And now I'm about to go to work. I'm about to be greedy at work, y'all. For real. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I did. Fried bull balls. Rocky Mountain oysters. They're known as also. I don't know why, but they are. Guys, if nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to say I love you, you. I love each and every one of you guys. I even love you, the one in the back that's listening. Yes, it's the second time on this video y'all gonna hear that. I appreciate you guys so much. Until the next video. Buenas noches.